In this video, we're breaking down 5 genius marketing tactics that top brands use to dominate social media and win over customers. From influencer gift packages with insane unboxings to tools that track what people really think about you. These strategies you'll want to start using today. Influencer gift packages with theatrical unboxing experiences. Top brands are turning influencer gifting into an art form by creating over-the-top packages designed to make unboxing content go viral. For example, Tati Cosmetics sent PR boxes containing $700 Hermes bracelets, which influencers showcased in highly engaging videos, boosting brand visibility. Another standout is Poppy's Coachella campaign, where they sent festival-themed packages filled with trendy products, resulting in millions of views across social platforms. The key here isn't just sending free stuff, it's making it so creative and extravagant that influencers want to share it. There's a whole position dedicated to just coming up with these. Seriously. You can replicate this by focusing on unique themed packaging that ties into your brand story or a current trend. Think about creating an experience for the influencer rather than just sending over some freebies. Leveraging augmented reality for interactive engagement. Augmented reality is no longer just a gimmick, it's a real tactic. Brands like Mugler use AR mirrors that transform users into constellations, creating immersive experiences that encourage social sharing. Another example is IKEA's AR app, which lets customers visualize furniture in their homes before buying. These tactics turn products into experiences, making customers more likely to engage and share the content. Even if you're a small business, you can experiment with AR through apps like Spark AR to create Instagram or Snapchat filters tied to your brand. Monitoring brand sentiment in real time. Top brands understand that keeping a pulse on public sentiment is essential to building and protecting their reputation. Tools like Brand24 allow you to track online mentions, measure sentiment, and identify trends and how people feel about your brand. Wendy's, for instance, uses real-time sentiment analysis to craft witty responses that keep them relevant and engaging on social media. By staying on top of sentiment, you can quickly address negative feedback, amplify positive mentions, and even find opportunities to hop on trending conversations. You don't need a massive team for this, just a solid tool and a plan to turn insights into action. Creating shareable, quirky content through unexpected partnerships. Sometimes good marketing is about creating content so unexpected that people can't help but share it. Take Crocs partnering with KFC to create limited edition chicken-scented Crocs. Yes, you heard that right. The bizarre concept sold out within minutes and dominated social media with memes, reviews, and unboxings. What can you do? Think outside the box and collaborate with a partner that's wildly different, but still complements your brand. Unexpected pairings create curiosity, conversations, and if done right, a whole lot of buzz. Interactive challenges that double as customer engagement. Rather than simply jumping on a viral trend, top brands are creating their own interactive challenges to build long-term engagement. Do you guys remember Chipotle's lid flip challenge? That encouraged users to flip a burrito bowl lid, generating millions of TikTok views and a surge in app downloads. The key to success? Make it simple, make it fun, and tied directly to your product. You can replicate this by starting a branded challenge that encourages creativity and makes your audience feel part of something, part of the action. Add incentives like giveaways for the best entries to drive participation even further. Which of these tactics did you find the most surprising? Let me know in the comments. If you found this helpful, give this video a like, subscribe for more tips and tricks for social media marketing, and make sure to check out Brand24 to monitor sentiment analysis in real time. Thanks for watching, guys. See you on the next one.